Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica XS espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to replace the grinder, this one that you see right here, and we also replace this one over here. I personally didn't like how it looked like. It was all kind of discolored and stuff, so replace it as well. And yeah, that's all we did with this espresso machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're going to be testing it out. We're going to be using the medium setting of this machine. We're using the third setting of the grinder, and we are using our test coffee. Nice steady stream coming out of the spouts. Look at that excellent color. Looking really good. 1 ounce, which is 1.5 ounces, which is perfect, and the right quantity for this shot of espresso on this espresso machine. Now we're gonna be testing the hot water. As you can see, steady stream coming out through the one, looking great. New one installed. Excellent flow. And now we can test the steamer. Now, in order for this machine to produce steam, it needs to get up to temperature. The thermal block located on this side of the machine needs to get up to a certain temperature. Once it does, the water pump will start pulsing water through the thermal block, through the steam assembly, and then out through the steamer one. We have our doors closed, so it's a little hot in here, so we cannot really see the steam as it's coming out, but there's a nice steady steam coming out through the one, really great temperature and excellent pressure as well. Working excellent. So there you have it, the DeLonghi Magnifica XS working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing my Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.